you. Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah.
We're gonna go pick up Power Wheels swapped quad thing from my uncle in Gretna. It's so small.
You said we would be able to get 2 guys in here. Where are you seeing room for 2 guys?
I was a lot smaller last time I saw this thing.
Too heavy for you or what, Kai?
Oh, this is such a piece of shit.
How so?
How so not? Look at the wiring on this side.
I bet you 45 bucks.
This brakes looks crazy.
I bet you 45 bucks we don't get earning today.
You think you got it going?
Oh yeah.
Well, it depends if it's just you working on it.
Come look at this side. It looks like a spaghetti.
No, that's
Bowl spaghetti.
Oh, that's just tear the wiring harness off more.
Yep, solid.
It's got a hitch at least.
Hey, look.
Dude, look at that hitch.
This opens. Wait, it used to open. Alright, let's go. No. Are you sure?
I don't think so.
I'm getting stuck. Hi, Brad. That's a sick house.
He's not watching. Lost the seat! You got the axle. Are you kidding?
Maybe not. It just looks.
Oh,
Yep. Yep, it's tweaked back.
Oh, hey.
Oh shit.
Oh, dang it!
It's so tweaked.
Oh!
No, it's just because of the tires. No, look at the axle. You can tell. It's fine. Look, it's curved up.
Looks good to me.
I think we can mend that back.
Yep.
Wow.
That's not even horrible. That's not even horrible.
That's not even horrible.
Kai, it's probably better than you.
That's why I was so.
She's heavy. It's a beefy machine.
Hey, get that cardboard, that plywood off there so we can actually see. Do you have a battery pack?
A battery?
Yeah, you're gonna need one.
Why don't you pick this off? So much better.
I'm not gonna start singing with that stupid.
Yeah, I don't know why I said that. Oh shit, this one.
Yeah, who's hotter, Don?
Oh, fudge!
Definitely
Almost
Kai.
dropped that down the drain.
Definitely Kai. No,
No, definitely not.
This thing's never
Yeah.
going back.
I think it should
We
be
just
able
lost
to.
all hope.
Can we not take it off here though? Does Farm Drive not sell carbs?
Ask Caden Crown, he would know.
He doesn't sell parts.
Yeah, he does.
Sells.
No, he does.
Does he does? Isn't it about his
Alright.
It's not gonna run.
keep going.
So you can try to keep it.
That's what I like to hear.
Right into the wall.
He's a mean machine.
Oh shit. Don't. Can we get like a tube on here or something?
I think you mean special needs.
But you gotta hold the battery.
That's gonna backfire and the whole engine's gonna light on fire. Hey, we don't have enough starter right now. Thanks for hitting the hole.
Doesn't aim there. What?
I like how nice this is.
Oh, that's mint. You probably should buy new bearings for it right away.
No.
Brad, have you showed them the vintage on this axle? Oh, look at this.
Do that?
Oh, wheels on the bus.
Yep.
Maybe the easy unload is maybe not the best thing.
Oh, that's good for the car.
Think of that.
Keep her going.
that inconsistency stuff.
No, you gotta just load her up, Don.
Keep her going.
Start dumping her.
Keep her going.
She doesn't like that too much. Ah, that car better be
She
finished.
should
soon.
run that. Wow, that does not. A really funny joke right now, but I can't say it. Oh, it'll definitely run.
She's a happy girl. Okay, like this. This is how I assume it's supposed to look, right? That looks right.
Wait, what connects to there? Is it automatic?
Bluetooth.
It could come apart at any second. In
Guys, this wiring.
Okay, but
What?
This is for sure
What is
broke
this?
'cause There's zero air gap here. Perfect.
This is the
Probably the ECU, you know? It's fancy like that.
Kosh Kado 1.
Tosh to toe.
Kosh Kado. Can't believe it runs.
So pretty much our ether shit.
Yep.
Didn't see that coming at all.
Oh, is that actually more bent now?
Maybe we fixed it.
No, it's not working. What did we hit here then? Oh, we're just teeter-totter.
Just died.
She sounds good though.
Oh, it made the
Ready to
run.
rip in the snow.
It actually runs great.
Still snowing outside, so.
It might actually go fast. Based on
Yeah,
that.
just keep. Don't even need a carb. Keep that.
Don't
thing.
even need a throttle either.
No. We gotta bend the axle straight though.
Yeah, better on the jack again. He doesn't have wrenches for this one.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Yes, that drawer on the big toolbox, the far top drawer.
Okay, then bring all the big wrenches.
Off slide.
Bigger than 1 1/8 inch. Possibly metric.
Which one, guy?
Top far, yeah, top far,
Oh, there's a carb in here.
Is there actually?
You're definitely not gonna fit, but.
the one above that one.
No. 1 3/4 note?
Not super big. We need 2 of them though. Wait, I'll tell you. Wait.
This is so bad. I tore.
Dude, it's actually got the fancy blue covers too.
Oh, restart. Didn't want to do that. This thing doesn't even work.
He gets shot in front of the
You have to
camera.
use the torch.
No. What torch, buddy?
Not torch my ass. Huh?
Oh, why do I forget?
Oh yeah, yeah. Maybe not. The whole axle moves too much.
Wait till it's hotter and then it'll move pretty easily.
Should move pretty easily already.
Kai, what does it look like? Taking it off the torch?
That's a new tool. It's still fired, not new.
Liquid wrench 9000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, try that.
Which way am I bending it? Just up or oh.
Get her some black and sun.
Oh, that might be.
That might be too far. Go down. Go back down.
I cooked it.
Stop. Now spin it.
Oh, I gotta go down a little
No,
more.
no, keep going all
No,
the way around.
spin it.
Need a little bit of.
Up more.
Wait, down,
No,
down.
I think we gotta go down.
Spin. Now, wait, oh, up a little bit. No, other way. Spin other way.
No, you're
Other
good.
way.
Right there.
Spin it around.
Right there, you're good. Up a little bit. No.
Yeah. It's probably cold already.
That's pretty.
Close enough.
That's pretty mint.
Mint.
Yeah. Got some spray paint. Okay. I still my Raptor one.
I never had one of these.
Tommy had a tractor with a working bucket.
I have a bucket and it was pedal powered.
Same. That
It was-
yellow one?
It was a John Deere with a yellow bucket.
Same here.
I had an excavator too, electric one.
I used to use that thing for leaves.
I did for snow.
Dude, I put all
You're
my
the whole
carrots
driveway
in the
with that
garden in
thing.
the box of my Raptor.
Here, football.
That shit slaps.
Is that? Well, if I put the carb together wrong, then it won't clean it out.
It's like water.
Yeah, but
it's like
you must
white-
have put
it's like-
something right.
It's like a white monster for a dirt bike or something.
Dirt bike, yeah. This is pretty much a dirt
Pressure
bike.
washer.
Don't do too much though. Let's go. Whoa.
Yeah, I got batteries.
I just want to make sure it's clean. Okay, I have to hold this.
Yes, we know.
You have to do everything else.
Okay, choke is on.
Yeah.
You're gonna need seafoam or spray foam.
Spray foam.
Spray foam.
I'm gonna hold this battery on top of it. Now it's gonna arc out.
You gotta keep spraying it.
I kind of. Somebody's gonna keep it like nitrous on.
Spray it.
Safe to say shoulder it.
Ow, my back.
Try about
That
it.
actually sounds pretty good.
Yep.
What if we just bend that flat?
Cut that side. Going to. Cut that side.
Pull.
Oh, it's coming a little bit off.
Oh my gosh.
You got the old one.
Man, I love getting gas all over the battery.
Just step on it.
Nice. Come look, a torch. You want a torch?
What is a torch gonna do?
Yeah, it's plastic. How about we just cut it off all the way?
Heat it up and bend it.
Why don't we just cut it off all the way?
That's a good hold for the battery for the gas tank there.
What?
You can put the battery, the gas tank on that green piece.
Yeah, right. This is a fancy one.
What are you warming that up?
Don't melt it though. Darby, how can I plug this hole in the bottom of the car?
8.
Put a return line on it.
Put a line on there with a bottle so it catches it all. Then we have
Or at least to the
recycle
gra-
the gas.
Or at least to the ground so it doesn't drip on the engine.
Nice. This thing's really
Probably the plastics for just airborne.
You still want a piece of plywood for this?
No.
You might need
No one needed it for using the box.
You still might need it.
Oh yeah, that's good. Now don't let it.
Man,
That nut is way too big for that.
Putting it back together.
we'll need self-tappers for this part, probably.
Where's the nuts? This is a little tight.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Like the tank.
You are good.
That's nice. That's just.
It's tight. Why is the door open?
Yeah, it works, I think. Nice, sharp,
Oh,
right?
that's gonna cut my leg when that fall off.
Yeah. Oh, and the
Or
fuel.
the gas line.
I'm putting on
Coveralls?
coveralls.
They're gonna be sorry they were ever born. Who? All of them.
Yeah, W, promise you, why would I trouble you? Yeah, look, you cannot see what's in front of you, you cannot see what's in front of you. Yeah, promise that you get to run into if you knew what's about to come to you. It's about to get real dangerous, 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 it's about to get
Look at that back axle.
dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. It's about to get real dangerous. Yeah, watch out, pop out, black out, wop out, beat 'em up, knock out.
Choke's not on this time.
That might be Ocean Road.
Back up. Now go.
Here, I'll hold it on here.
Yeah, go.
Kai, you better jump on fast.
Is there out of fuel?
Darby, just put it around the bars. Like, slide it on. Yeah.
Let's go off to the shoulder. This is so fun.
Can I hold on now?
Oh no! Stop! The ropes around there.
No. I was trying to stop the guy.
Well, you're on.
Don't try now!
Why does he want to be sitting there?
Wait.
We cooked it.
I think maybe no air intake. Air's too cold.
She was drunk.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, you gave it a start.
Oh, we got no gas in it.
Yeah, check the gas.
Got lots of gas.
All right, drive.
Yeah.
Now let's get that sled and pull it down this.
Yeah. I gotta start walking.
Little trip. What do you want us to do?
What? Did it land on your leg or what?
Which? The side of the frame?
I have no idea.
You know what would make it feel better? Driving it again.
Yeah, you may.
Like you get some redemption, maybe.
I think we need to tighten the choke so it doesn't pop up all the time.
This is also extra loose now.
Dylan, that's how it was when we started.
Oh, okay.
I bet you hit your ankle and that is
Or like,
No.
or like this bar probably.
No
Why does this
way.
thing tip so easily?
Because look how wide it is.
Yeah, that's 200 pounds of.
It's like as wide as you standing.
Yeah, you're more stable standing.
Oh, my ankle hurts so much.
Can you do it?
Try and stand on it.
Walk it off.
I sound like my dad.
Does the front suspension even work?
Yeah, it does.
The front wobbles so much when you drive. The tires go like this.
No, it does not.
It's so bad. It's so much fun though. How could you not get it to run?
It just needed some help. That's what
It needed a 5-minute break.
Is it actually
getting another
is
break
it
right
that
now.
hard to handle?
Yes.
No,
Well, it's not
really.
bad.
Does it idle?
Just
Oh,
drive.
so it's not like you're stuck going full RPM.
Throttle does get stuck sometimes.
Maybe you should.
Not really.
Just
not
when you
so
turn.
sharp.
You weren't even turning sharp.
I wasn't.
Oh wait.
I went to-
Look at how high you were on 2 wheels.
You were on.
I didn't even notice I
You were
was
on
on
2 wheels for like 15 feet.
Then he was on all 4.
Yep. Here
My
we go.
phone is gonna be destroyed.
Oh, it won't
You
from
put it
the
in your
wrong
side pocket?
Yeah.
Well, that's a mistake all day.
Oh,
Weight
yep.
on it?
Yep. Put some weight on it.
It hurts.
Yeah,
so
you're mint. You're fine.
Yeah, let's get back on. Oh, we're stuck. I said only the 4x4 work. See, he's fine. Did it die?
Did a good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because
With that e-brake.
push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'm a
How fast are we going?
25!
Artlist.io.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my.
What'd you do to this thing?
Me?
Back up. Back up.
Darby?
Ghost ride it! I think it costs about 25.
Makes sense.
Because you're driving in the ditch.
Stop.
Come on! Let's get to Sean!
I have like 100 and some, but
That works.
Oh, slippery.
So it's done, so
why are we going through all
it
this?
doesn't run anymore.
Why don't we just back side by side in the ditch?
Why don't we just back it on the road or in the ditch? Can we do that?
Why don't we just throw it in the creek?
Watch out if the battery and the lids on the side there. Because we're fixing it so Ghost Rider yet.
That's true.
No, he just had 3 wheels on the ground.
That worked good.
Right here. Yeah, that's good. Ready? 1 sec. I vote we burn it.
No. We have to keep her alive. She's so much fun. She's doing sideways.
Yeah.
Or close the tailgate right now, actually. Yeah, see that. Yeah.
Dude. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Where did this come from? Dude. That ain't going nowhere.
Nice.
Now we're gonna fly out the box when we drive in the ditch.
That was successful.
Hardly.
Let's get her home.
Oh, never mind.
I'll hold it in.
No, you have to do it in the seat.
Oh. Can I throw the can in there?
No.
No, it's a good can of WD. It's empty.
That gas tank's also going to go whoosh.
I guess there were some good things on there.
Yeah, I don't know why we're burning it. Kai?
Not sure.
Sorry, watch what I have.
Maybe it won't burn.
So much for that.
I think it's still not going to burn. See?
I don't think it will either. Oh no.
Oh no.
No, let that burn. No.
Oh, don't let the engine burn. It's only going to
The engine's still good. We just need a new fuse.
Oh no. That thing's full of gas. Oh wait.
Stop on it.
No, don't stomp on it, Kai.
Oh, that doesn't even happen.
Kick it at the thing.
That thing's still on fire, I guess.
Oh wait, this one's actually burning. Really? Wait.
No shit.
Really?
No.
Yes, it's burning.
Oh, it's so good still. It's such goodness.
Can I use this torch?
Hey, everybody get a video of this. No, Kai, don't burn it. It's so good.
Kai, stop.
Don't like
Kai, stop.
It's still good.
No.
Kai, stop. It's still good. It's still good.
Won't even burn.
Kick it.
Such
Until
an
something splashes
idiot.
up. It's still good thing, Kai. It's still good though.
Oh no!
The only thing burning is the gas tank, dumbass.
It's fine.
No, the gas tank was like one of the goodest parts.
One of the good. Yeah, you know how hard it is to find gas tanks nowadays?
Yeah, you're gonna.
Oh! It's just gushing out. There was so much gas in there.
Out of the fire. It cannot burn today.
It's still pouring out.
This thing cannot burn today.
No, don't burn that. We need that. No.
This thing off. Dumping out liquid gas. Yeah, kick that shit off there.
Oh no.
Oh, now this thing's burning.
Put snow on it. Kick snow on it. That actually worked. What the heck? Not that way. The wood. Kai.
Kai soccer.
There's just miscellaneous fires everywhere.
What if Darcy sees us on the cameras?